Whoa. Hope you're doing good today. Today I wanted to go over a couple of things. What's been going on with me and some ideas that I have, and show you a couple of things. Coming right up. Well, as we all know, paper's scarce. Not all paper. Just those funny little rolls that we all enjoy. So I wanted to show you a couple of things that I've done or have gotten. The first one, okay, believe it or not, we didn't always have toilet paper. Matter of fact, even the old Romans had a sponge on a stick that they would use. You can research that. Kind of sounds nasty, but oh well. We didn't know if they washed them afterwards or if they just exchanged them. I don't know. Anyway, what I wanted to show you is, if all else fails, we can use other things for toilet paper. These are some washcloths I picked up. Very cheap ones. Okay. This is what the cover looks like. Got, let's see. Got 24 of them. They're 12 inch by 12 inch. And I wanted to kind of give you a heads up that you can get these and they're not that expensive. They were, oh, and another thing, let's see, they were $14.99 for 24 of them. Now you can take these, use them, throw in a bucket of water, then when you get ready to wash them, they'll be easier to clean. And I'm sorry to say, I just got these. In fact, they just got here last Thursday. They were delivered on Thursday. I looked on the Amazon page today, and when you know it, just like everything else, no longer available, or not in stock, or whatever it said. I'll put it down here. And something else I picked up. I picked up a case of this right here. Now, I couldn't find any toilet paper on Amazon or just about anywhere else. So I did the next best thing, and I came across a package of these. Now there's 16 of these bundles, and each one has 125 paper towels in it. Now, if anybody's ever worked in the service industry, a fast food place or a gas station or something, y'all know what this are. These are those fan-fold paper towels that if you're not careful, they just go all over the place. So you might want to be careful. Maybe rig yourself up a little box you could set them up in. But anyway, 16 packages of those. Each one has 125 towels. That comes to a total of 2,000 towels. So I will be putting a link to these because these are still in stock as of the time of making this video. So I will put a link in the video description down below, and you can go, and if that's something you can use. There's some paper products. Like I said, as of right now, they're still available. And I wanted to show you something because I don't think I ever showed it before on my channel, and that's my little wash machine. Let's see if I can get over to the pictures. I don't remember which order I had these in, so. Okay, well, there's the first one. Wait a minute. Yeah, there's the first one. That's the wash bin where you put your clothes to be washed. There it is with both sides open. Okay, the one on this side right here, this is the washer and this is the spin cycle. Now I'll tell you, the spin cycle on this thing is crazy. When you pull your clothes out of there, they're almost dry. So it does a pretty good job for a little tiny thing like that. But anyway, I wanted to show you my washer and dryer and got to touch bases with you. Let you know what's going on. We're trying to conserve as much as possible right now, so I can get myself another freezer, because I kind of figured it out. The type of freezer I have, it's so small, they're inexpensive. They're just over $100. So I figure a repair guy coming out, plus parts and everything else, it makes sense to just buy a new one. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the old one, because the new one I'm buying is a little bit smaller than the one I got now. But I'm going to take the one I got now and I'm going to use it for dry storage. So I can put Mylar bags and things like that, dry storage food in it. Anyway, I wanted to touch... Oh, here, I'll show you a couple other things that we're working on here. And we should have the videos up in a day or two. We got a couple of these Mylar sleeping bags, emergency sleeping bags. We're going to do a review on these. And if you're lucky, you might see me trying to squeeze into one of these, because I'm a pretty good sized guy, and I think these aren't quite made for my size. But we'll find out. Now I'm not going to lay down in it. I'm just going to see if I can fit in it and pull it up. So we'll get into that and see how that goes when we review those. And then my son Isaiah sent me that package. I've already got half of the video made on these. I've just been waiting. It's either been windy and dry, or it's been raining lately, or cold. So I haven't finished the second part of this video, but we'll get right to that. Anyway, I'll put a couple of videos over here that I think you might like, or one that I think you might like and one YouTube thinks you like. You can click on my face over here and look forward to those other videos. Please, if you have any ideas of things like this that I came up with as far as TP, put it in the comments down below. We did suspend the giveaways for right now. Like I said, I'm trying to squeeze every penny I can so I can get a new freezer, because it sucks when you're used to having something like that and now all I have is dried soups and stuff to eat. So but it's good practice, because I'm using my food storage, so I'm learning how to make things. In fact, I want to make something tonight. I might even record it. I'm going to try to make some flat Indian bread. So anyway, don't forget, you can click on one of these videos over here that you might like to watch, and you can click over here to subscribe. Please share my videos on your social medias and all that good stuff. Have a good day. Stay prepared.